This will be part 2, and this is the update on the gas piston install. I already installed it, probably not even half an hour. Went to cock it. It would latch for the safety, but the sear would not drop down into the groove of the piston, and I'm pretty sure I know why. When I first tuned this, this is the back piece, goes into here. There's a different piece for the gas ram in here now. But when I went to tune this and I saw the trigger slides and drops into here, well, the sear comes up here and then drops down and locks in place. Well, I noticed there was very little and it was very ragged. So I opened this up and I never had it jam once on me. So I'm pretty sure this is the cause. I will have to rip this gun apart again and disassemble. There was a groove in the piston, and I did keep it towards the trigger, but I'll double check that. Either it's too tight of a clearance, or I'm going to have to make some kind of modification to make it work, but I'll get it there. I'll just take it back apart, and we'll go from there. But it is a beast to cock now. It's kind of like my 135 and 125 gas rams there. And this thing is a beast to cock. So I'm guessing that gas ram is filled up to par. Because, so I'll try it the way it is, but I think it's going to be too much. I don't know. Maybe heavier pellets will like it. I don't know. But yeah, let me fix this trigger issue first. And I just wanted to make an update. So if anybody else has this issue, they know what to do. Okay, until part 3.